Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Arctic Club Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. The 10-story Arctic Club Hotel, a historical landmark built in 1916, has been beautifully restored to provide exceptional hospitality, featuring 120 well-appointed rooms for the refined traveler in the heart of downtown Seattle. The Arctic Club Hotel provides unique experiences including the eclectic polar bar. The interior and exterior design reflects the era of the Klondike Gold Rush. Live like an icon and experience the adventure of history at the Arctic Club Hotel. Anchored near Seattle's historic district on the corner of 3rd Avenue and Cherry Street, the modern Arctic Club Hotel launches explorers into the heart of the city. Walk along the waterfront, venture up the Space Needle, and explore Pike Place Market. Watch the Seahawks or Mariners play down at Lumen Field and T-Mobile Park. Use our link in description to get good discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.